Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. All we do, we go to music, all these things are killers, so we'll click on that. If you see there, it says Range Rover at the bottom. If it doesn't say Range Rover, you'll see there, if I click on that, it will play through the speakers, through the phone speaker. So onto Range Rover. It's now set up so that anything that plays on this phone, any audio, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will play through these speakers if you do it correctly. So we click play, that's playing. We now go over to audio video. It says please insert disc. We don't want to do that, we want source. Click source, and then you've got the option to choose iPod, stored CDs, USB auxiliary, or Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, all these things. And then as you can tell there, the sound is absolutely fantastic. You won't be able to tell, especially if you're watching it on your phone or listening to it on your phone or a laptop, but in here it's absolutely awesome. I promise you, it's brilliant.